Hi guys, so we are in our malawak na lupain here in UK. So that's my manong. Hello manong. You alright? So ano siya, nagdudukal. Ano nagdudukal? Ng aming lupain, ready for winter kasi magbi-winter na dito. So piniprepare lang namin yung soil. And yes, I'll show you the whole round. As you can see, ito yung aming lupain, allotment, as you call it here in UK. Then, there. So, tinatakloban lang namin sila para hindi na siya magtubo. And then, we cut the apple tree, para tumubo ng okay siya in next year. So that's kasi sayang yung mga fruits, but oh well. So we got the shed and bathtub there. That's new from my husband's work na hindi na kailangan. So di ba dito bagong-bago yung bath, tapos lang, isang beses lang namin, and we don't like it, so sinosoli na lang nila, di ba, bongga. And then, so, yan. And this. And madami na din kami naputol na mga para we cut the tree there. And then I'll show you the apple tree. There's the apple tree. I think this is eating apple. I think that green one as well. And I'll show you, we've got pear tree there, and I think that's, and we got some currants, no, blackberries, I mean, there you go. And red berries, I mean. So yes, we got blackberries, black currants as well there. So yeah. Oh, I mean, so we've got red currants as well there, and we're gonna trim this tree as well. Oh God, daming bees. There you go. Sayang mga apples. Nagpatak na lang. Oh well, so hopefully okay na to next year. So yeah, I'll see you later.